Hi guys, welcome back to great. My lips feel hella dry. I will be back. Wait a second. Jeez Louise. Let's try again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was supposed to be up a week ago, but I wasn't very well, and so I just needed to take some time out and rest and basically just relax. So today I was actually going to go to the gym, but that isn't going to happen now because my daughter's not very well. So she's currently upstairs sleeping, so I thought why not quickly make this intro while I've got time. If you can tell from the title, this is a abs and core workout. It is a killer, because I promised you a killer workout, so that's what we've got covered today. And I guess it will all just be done from home because that's where my ass is going to be today. So about the workout is only 10 minutes long. Can I just say, everybody has 10 minutes in their day. Let me just make this very clear. Everybody has 10 minutes in their day. Absolutely everybody. I don't want to hear, oh, I didn't have time, when I find the time I'm gonna. No, everybody has 10 minutes. So you have the time, you make the time, you have that open window, whether it's just before your dinner or when just wake up 10 minutes earlier, whatever, whenever you find it, don't really care, you get it done, because it's only going to benefit yourself, and people that make excuses don't get very far. I want the best for you guys. So yeah, now that we've got that out of the way, little side note, I will be using a medicine ball because I do have equipment at home, so I'm able to push myself, and I want to push myself. So some of the exercises I will be using a medicine ball, but all of the exercises can be done without any equipment. Don't worry if you don't have any, I've got you covered. To be completely honest, I did this about 3 or 4 days ago, and I'm still feeling the effects now, and that was without any equipment. No medicine balls, no dumbbells, no nothing. If you do have equipment and you want to push yourself, if you're able to, try to, but I would personally suggest and recommend that you do push yourself if you can and are able to do so. If you don't have equipment, you can use a bit of creativity. You can use absolutely anything for resistance. For example, a water bottle or a book, or your milk jug carton, or an empty milk jug carton filled with water or sand, whatever it is, whatever you can find that will just give you a little bit of resistance. Some is better than none. I will have a timer either here or here, wherever I decide to put it, not quite sure yet, but either way a timer will be up. So all you need to do is just literally follow along with more, because it's a workout with me kind of workout. And yeah, I've made it as simple and easy as possible, so there can't be any excuses made. Really hope you like the workout. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you love it or hate it. Either way, I would love to know, because I really appreciate every single comment that I get. And yeah, one last thing to add, you might be thinking, but Shay, how cheeky, you don't actually have any abs, so how dare you? And can I just say, you are, and that is absolutely correct. But as I mentioned in my last video, unfortunately you cannot spot reduce fat or pick and choose where you want the fat to come off. I wish there was a special button that could just do that, but there is not. So the only way to do that is through working hard. So while I am reducing my body fat percentage, I want to cinch in my waist, and obviously you can do that through the use of building and toning your muscles and targeting those specific areas or muscles / muscle groups. Now that big elephant is out of the room, let's get into the workout. gosh, you guys, look at the sweat dripping. Work hard always. How did you guys get on? Since I did this workout about 4 days ago, I am literally sneezing like I'm not ready, coughing like because it's too painful. Let's hope tomorrow's a better day and the DOMs are easing off a little bit. But you guys let me know how you're getting on. Anyway, please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, or thumbs down if you hated it. Obviously, I hope you didn't hate it. But if you did, it just means that I have a few changes to make, which obviously I will do. But if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. It just really supports me and my channel and helps to let me know that you guys are loving the content, and I will just continue to produce more videos like these. Don't forget to get sharing. Even if you don't find it applicable or beneficial to you, you never know who you might be helping. You might have a best friend, you might have a grandma who's got a sister, who's got a best friend, who's got a niece who finds it beneficial, and that means that you are also helping others as well as allowing me to help others, which is amazing. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. I have heard a lot about YouTube changing their algorithms and people not getting notified when videos are coming out. I don't want you guys to miss out, because I have something very special coming out for episode 5. That is just my way to apologize and make up for this video being late. Obviously I wasn't well last week, so yeah, keep an eye out for that one. I'm super excited, but I don't want to ruin the surprise by saying too much, so I'm just gonna cut it here. But yeah, make sure that you are ready and set for that, because it's gonna be great. And don't forget to get at me in the comments box below. I really want to get to know you guys on a deeper level. You're basically my extended family now, and I love you so much. I really appreciate all the people that have supported me thus far. So yeah, I don't want to just know you guys on a superficial level of me talking to you or at you through your screens. I promise you I don't bite. I promise you I don't bite. Oh, just before I go, I have a quick question, and it's just a suggestion. But what do you guys think about the idea of me creating a private Facebook page for those that either want to start a journey or have already started a journey, where we can motivate each other, support each other? Let me know what you guys think. If you like the idea, obviously give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments box below. If you don't like the idea, let me know. Just be like, Shay, that's whack, I ain't joining your group. But yeah, let me know either way, and the more comments I get, I will get on the ball to make that group for you guys, because I really want to help you as much as possible and support you on whatever it is you're trying to achieve, whether your journey is weight loss, weight gain, muscle building, doesn't matter. Either way, it's fantastic, and I think a really nice way to have, as I said, people that can hold you accountable and support you on whatever you're trying to achieve. But let me know if you think it's a great idea or whack idea. On that note, it's time for me to hit the road, Jack, and I will see you for episode 5. I love you so much.